Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a repair report for Ron in Kansas on this Galaxy DX48T. Well, Ron had come in DOA, dead on arrival, and the two Japanese soldiers had decided to retire. Actually, one of them still tested good, really low gain. The other one was bad, so we went and put a match set of HD 2290s in it for you. Did our tuning alignment to get rid of all that backswing you had. And I'll show you what we got. RF power all the way down. 100 watt slug, average. We set it where it turns down to about 4 watts so you have full adjustability. And it turns up to 40. Average power swing. Hello, 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 audio. It'll go forward to about 56 bird. Peak power, 250 watt slug. Hello, audio. 1, 2, 3. Oh, yeah. So there's 200 watts peak. Alright, Ron, I hope you enjoy. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump, bump.